welcome again to another episode of Jamaican Society. Yeah, where we talk everything about what's going on in our society in this beautiful land we love. Jamaica land we love. Yeah. So what really are going on, what we want to talk about today is the whole thing about chopping the line. We have seen recently now where one of our prominent athlete, one of the greatest star athlete the world has ever seen, if not the greatest, track and field, that we have seen, that the world have seen. And we're talking about the great Usain Bolt. We have seen that he has lost. I don't know if he can get it back or I don't know what will go on with that. With the whole heap of money where it just seem to have disappeared. All time on account. So it's a society in which now it coming like everybody a choppy line. It look like everybody decides, boy, I chop them a choppy line, you know. What kind of society we have now? A chopping society. Where everybody does a chop up a line. Right, you know, your money not safe in a bank them either. You want to look like not even your bank you can't put your money there either. So what my granny used to do is, for her money them now, she used to hide them under her bed. But that a back in idea still, me no know, you can't too try that, you know. Me no think you can really try that, you know. It look like there's no way to win, because if you hide your money under your bed, you know, guess what will happen? Somebody will know say you hide your money under your bed, and guess what will go on now? Them all come for it. A deficit society that we end up in, you know, where boy, it coming like you can't win. You can't win, you know. No way no safe for you put your things, no way no safe. Your life no safe. Like I said, the government now, they not really do nothing. They not really do nothing for this society. Nothing. There's no solution. Me no see nobody a make no talk and I say, boy, this is how we are going to deal with the thing and we are going to get certain things sorted out this way. No, me no see that. Me no see that. Me no know. Leave in the comments section, let me know if you no see that, but me no really see it. Me no really see nothing go on in our society, you know, where we can say, boy, things are going, you know. Solution to the problem is being looked at. Cause why you them, I don't know, them decide say, boy, the working thing now, Too hard for them. Too hard. Running a farm is too hard. Plant couple yam also. Couple banana and they sitting there. That too hard. Find a 9 to 5 job. That too hard. You know. Hustle some things on the street. Build up a liquor stall. Too hard. Go learn a trade. So you can make certain things. Whether you want to do plumbing. Whether you want to build furniture. Whether you want to fix car. Them think they now too hard for you them though. You them now decide say boy. Them they sitting there too hard. Them no want to do them the kind of thing there. Everybody want to chop up a line. But the real messed up thing is now you have people inside of your banking institutions or your financial institutions who gone to college, you have a good education, a bank them are working, you know. But even them now decide say boy, a chop them want chop a line see a way too, so what kind of joke this? Yeah, what kind of joke this you know? Even them the people that now decide say boy I chop up them or chop up a line see a way. What a drama. What a drama in a jam down. Boy, me I tell you, Uncle God can help me. Only God can help me. And first time, you know, you can't say, you know, if you say people who used to go at the Guzo man, that was a thing where people not proud of. But everybody want to go a Guzo man, you know. Yes, everybody want choppy line. Everybody a walks on Guzo. And now we proud of them. That's something we proud of, you know. So my question is, when did we lose our way? What caused this? When we lose our way, so till we reach this point, you know, where even our bank and our financial institutions, you're a bit skeptical to store your money in. You hard earned money where you work hard for. Imagine you saying, Bolt, we done so much for this country. So a man will enjoy retirement and, you know, having little money so he can take care of his family just like anybody else who don't want to take care of their family, you know. And not like he no work hard for what he have. Nobody then take up the money what he have and give him just so. Them man they train always a train. And you know, easy if you be a star athlete. A whole heap of sacrifice you always a train. And this is what happened to him. Only God can help him. Alright, well that am I say on that. Remember to like and share. And subscribe to the channel. We haven't put up a video in a while, but we're back right now. Look out for more video. Daily video. As much as we can, but I think every day we'll put up a video. Thanks for listening to me. Take care. One love.